10 superfoods that detox and cleanse your kidneys naturally. For centuries, certain foods have been valued not just for their taste but for their ability to promote health and well-being. Among the most vital organs in your body are your kidneys, hard-working filters that remove toxins and maintain balance in your system. But did you know that some natural foods can support kidney function, helping to detox and cleanse them effectively? Before we proceed, please note that everything mentioned in this video is unbiased, fact-checked, and reviewed by qualified health professionals. With that said, let's dive into the best superfoods for kidney health. 1. Cranberries. Cranberries are well known for their ability to support urinary tract health, but they also play a significant role in kidney detoxification. These tiny red berries contain proanthocyanidins, compounds that prevent harmful bacteria like E. coli from sticking to the urinary tract, reducing the risk of infections that can impact kidney function. Additionally, cranberries are packed with antioxidants, such as vitamin C and flavonoids, which help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the kidneys. This antioxidant action helps protect kidney cells from damage caused by toxins and free radicals. Drinking unsweetened cranberry juice, eating fresh cranberries, or incorporating dried cranberries, without added sugar, into your diet can contribute to better kidney health while supporting overall urinary function. 2. Blueberries. Blueberries are packed with powerful antioxidants, including anthocyanins, which help protect the kidneys from oxidative stress, a leading cause of kidney decline over time. These small but mighty berries also have anti-inflammatory properties that support overall kidney function by reducing inflammation in kidney tissues. Additionally, blueberries are low in sodium and phosphorus, making them an excellent choice for those with kidney disease who need to manage their intake of these minerals. They also help regulate blood sugar levels, which is important since high blood sugar can strain kidney function over time. Enjoy blueberries fresh, frozen, or blended into smoothies to reap their kidney-protecting benefits while also supporting heart and brain health. 3. Watermelon. Staying hydrated is crucial for kidney health, and watermelon is one of the most hydrating fruits available. With over 90% water content, watermelon helps flush toxins and waste from the kidneys, reducing the risk of kidney stones and urinary tract infections. Watermelon also contains lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that helps reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in kidney cells. Additionally, this fruit is a natural diuretic, meaning it encourages the production of urine, which helps the kidneys eliminate waste more efficiently. Eating fresh watermelon, blending it into smoothies, or infusing water with watermelon chunks can be a refreshing way to support kidney detoxification naturally. 4. Garlic. Garlic has powerful anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and antioxidant properties that can protect the kidneys from damage and infections. It contains allicin, a sulfur-containing compound that helps reduce oxidative stress and lower inflammation in kidney tissues. Additionally, garlic is known for its ability to lower blood pressure, a critical factor in maintaining kidney function. Since high blood pressure is one of the leading causes of kidney disease, consuming garlic regularly can provide natural protection against kidney-related complications. Whether eaten raw, roasted, or added to meals, garlic is an excellent natural remedy for kidney support. For those looking for a milder option, aged garlic extract supplements can provide similar benefits without the strong taste. 5. Ginger. Ginger is another potent food for kidney health, known for its strong anti-inflammatory and detoxifying properties. It contains bioactive compounds such as gingerol and shogal, which help combat oxidative stress and protect kidney cells from damage. Additionally, ginger supports digestion and promotes healthy circulation, both of which contribute to kidney detoxification by facilitating the elimination of toxins. Studies suggest that ginger may also help regulate blood sugar levels, preventing excess glucose from harming the kidneys over time. Drinking ginger tea, adding fresh ginger to stir-fries, or incorporating it into homemade juices can all be effective ways to support kidney function naturally. 6. Leafy greens. Leafy greens such as spinach, kale, Swiss chard, and collard greens are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that are essential for kidney health. They are rich in vitamin C, vitamin K, and fiber, all of which support detoxification processes by helping to remove waste from the body. The chlorophyll in leafy greens also plays a role in neutralizing toxins and reducing kidney inflammation. However, for individuals with kidney disease or those prone to kidney stones, it's important to monitor oxalate levels in certain greens, such as spinach, as excessive consumption can contribute to stone formation. Opting for lower oxalate greens like kale or boiling high oxalate greens before eating them can help manage this risk. 7. Apples. An apple a day may help keep kidney problems away. Apples are a fantastic source of fiber, particularly pectin, which helps eliminate toxins and lower cholesterol levels. The fiber in apples supports healthy digestion and reduces the burden on the kidneys by preventing waste buildup in the bloodstream. Apples are also rich in antioxidants, such as quercetin, which helps reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in kidney tissues. Additionally, apples are naturally low in sodium, potassium, and phosphorus, making them a kidney-friendly fruit, especially for individuals with kidney disease who need to control their mineral intake. Eating apples whole, blending them into smoothies, or making fresh apple sauce can be a delicious way to support kidney function. 8. Turmeric. Turmeric contains curcumin, a potent anti-inflammatory compound known for its ability to reduce kidney inflammation and support detoxification. Curcumin has been shown to protect kidney cells from oxidative stress and may even help prevent chronic kidney disease by reducing harmful protein buildup. Additionally, turmeric helps regulate blood pressure and blood sugar levels, two key factors in maintaining optimal kidney function. Adding turmeric to your diet by seasoning meals, making golden milk, or drinking turmeric tea can provide excellent benefits for kidney health. To enhance curcumin absorption, pair turmeric with black pepper, which contains piperine, a compound that boosts its bioavailability. 9. Lemon water. Lemon water is a natural and effective way to detox the kidneys and prevent kidney stones. Lemons are rich in citric acid, which helps prevent calcium deposits from forming into stones by increasing urine citrate levels. Additionally, lemon water promotes hydration, which is essential for kidney function, as it helps flush out toxins and keeps the urinary system clear. Drinking warm lemon water in the morning can help kickstart digestion, alkalize the body, and support kidney detoxification. For an extra boost, adding a pinch of Himalayan salt or raw honey can enhance the mineral content and further support kidney health. 10. Beets. Beets are rich in nitrates and antioxidants that support healthy blood flow and kidney function. The natural nitrates in beets help improve circulation and oxygen delivery to the kidneys, ensuring they function optimally in filtering waste from the blood. Beets also contain betalains, plant compounds with strong anti-inflammatory and detoxifying properties that enhance the kidney's ability to eliminate toxins. Additionally, beets help lower blood pressure, reducing strain on the kidneys over time. Drinking fresh beet juice, adding roasted beets to salads, or blending them into smoothies can be an excellent way to promote kidney health naturally. Your kidneys play a crucial role in detoxifying your body, and giving them the right nutrients can make a significant difference. Incorporating these 10 superfoods into your diet can help cleanse and protect your kidneys naturally. However, it's important to maintain a balanced diet and a healthy lifestyle to support overall kidney function. If you have existing kidney issues, consult with a healthcare professional before making significant dietary changes. Do you have any favorite kidney-friendly foods? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative health content. Thanks for watching.